Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. Art journaling is one of my most favorite ways to slow down and simply create without rules. A blank page can turn into an entire little world of its own. I started with subtle stenciling with soft neutral tones of Distress Oxide inks to keep the background delicate and airy. I used rub-ons for the softest layer. This page came together layer by layer. Soft textures, delicate elements, and little details that tell a quiet story. Stamping is one of the best ways to add textures and layers. For this journal spread, I wanted to create a dreamy wonderland filled with warmth and storytelling. I love how art journaling allows us to mix emotions, memories, colors, and imagination all on one page. There's no right or wrong here, just experimenting, exploring, and enjoying the process. Sometimes a blank page can turn into an entire little world of its own. Now came the layering of torn paper, die-cut elements, and these tiny details brought the composition to life. This spread reminds me that creativity doesn't always need to be loud. Sometimes soft details tell the strongest stories. The little traveler in the center feels like she's stepping into a quiet, magical world. Hope you had fun and got inspired. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.